Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to initially set up the Dreame L50 Ultra with the Dreame Home app available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the L50, it'll be linked in the video description. So first things first, we're into the Dreame Home app. So search your app store, download the app, sign in or create your account. Then you'll be at this screen where you can manage and view all of your devices. So in this case, we need to add our L50. So we can do this a couple different ways, but we'll start with the top right-hand corner. We'll hit those three dots. There's a plus icon that says add device. We're prompted to scan a QR code on the robot, or we can manually choose from a list of products. We're going to scan the code. Our code is right here. So we can line it up. Boom. There we go. Confirm the robot's been turned on, which we have. So we'll select next. Release the hotspot. Hold down the left and right button for a couple of seconds till we hear a voice prompt.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Got it. Select next. Now at this screen, we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Find your network, enter your password, then select next. Now we need to connect to the device hotspot. So after clicking the button below, click join. Boom, there we go. We are joining it right now. Now it's going to work on connecting everything.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
2 out of the 3 right now. We get voice prompts and app updates here.
Network connected successfully.
Now we'll wait for the app to update.
Robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing, start charging.
There we go.
The installation is in place.
We can select next. We can name it. L50 Ultra is great with us. And here we go. Everything's loading up. And our device has successfully been added. We can hit agree. It walks you through some startup features here. You can enable or disable those features as you see fit. If you have pets in your home, you can toggle that on or off. Start to experience, walks you through a tutorial of the app here, which is great for first-time users. And at this screen, you might see something similar. This is the time to do your firmware update, so go ahead. And I'm going to put it on the dock to make sure it'll update. But we have it on the dock. It's charging. We're going to hit confirm.
Start charging.
I'm going to turn on auto updates here too. Update now. And now it's going to upgrade. It says it'll take about 5 minutes. Got the voice prompt for it. But now we just let it wait and do its thing. All right, so we actually had 2 updates. The first one took 3 minutes, and interestingly enough, the second one took 3 minutes as well. Then you're back at this screen where it's our main overview where we can start fast mapping. So you set this where you want it in your house, open up all the doors, prep everything, hit start fast mapping. It'll go out and it'll create a map. It'll come back, and then you can edit that map. So very simple and straightforward to set up the L50 Ultra. The longest part in the process will just be waiting for updates to finish. In our case, 2 updates, 6 minutes, not bad at all.